Y'all ready? Let's go, y'all ready? Let's go, Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like the food, it's the place to be. You come and have a little fun with your girl can't see.
What's up, my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are having some 2-time spicy lobster tails plus some B-Love Smackalicious sauce. I have some king crab, I have my potatoes and corn, and I have a little bit of the Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. Y'all remember that one? So if you are new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. I hate when my mouth starts watering. But then it sounds like I don't know what I'm saying, okay? Alright, so we're gonna start with the king crab since I was trying to take a thumbnail. It's still hot too. Oof. Oh, it's good. Spicy. I was trying to put some of this. That's good. Wet red pepper sweet. Oh, that was dripping down my mouth. Wow, a little messy today. That's good. Alright, I got another piece of king crab. This one broke while I was trying to take the thumbnail. Did I drop it in there? Oh yeah. Get one of these lobster tails. Ouch. I don't know why I didn't put the gloves on. Oh, these are good. I got the lobster tails from Costco. Ooh, that's hot. peppers good. They are good. Let me get them with potato. I was trying to take a thumbnail with this king crab and the whole thing fell apart.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about that.
You can see the sauce, like.
It fell in the sauce though.
Oh. Dang.
You want to taste it with a potato?
Yeah.
Get your plate.
Ooh. What about a cucumber?
You can try with cucumber. Alright, y'all. Let's eat our other lobster tail. Then we're gonna chit chat. Y'all got a trivia. If I win the trivia, then I don't have to do a spicy challenge. If I lose the trivia, then my next one of my seafood boils will be spicy, okay? So we're gonna do that in a minute. Let me eat this lobster tail. I'll tell you. So good. Awesome. It's hot. I know. I went overboard. I went overboard with the 2 times spicy. I kind of drowned everything in the 2 times spicy, so I'm sweating. Peppers. So good. Okay. Woo! That is hot. But it's so good. Alright. So, y'all can either write down your answers or you can yell them out to the TV, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to keep score. Let me see how many. I don't know, I guess it gives you your score at the end. If I pass, then you know what I say about the spicy challenge. Alright, let's see if I can find it. I texted to myself. Oh, there you go. Now I might get some of these wrong. Don't judge me now. Okay? Alright, the first question. This is vitamin and supplements. Y'all know I like taking these little quizzes. Alright, so it says next to red peppers, you can get the most vitamin C from oranges, lemons, limes, or pineapples. What you think?
Oranges.
Oranges? Okay. Alana said oranges. Girl, you're right. Alright, so niacin, commonly prescribed to help lower cholesterol, falls into which group of vitamins? Is it A, vitamin A, calcium, vitamin B, or vitamin K? What you say, Alana? Just guess.
Vitamin B.
Vitamin B, that's what I was gonna say too. You're absolutely right. Oh. Alright, so which of the following vitamins or supplements is actually a metal? Is it nickel, lycopene, potassium, or zinc? You said nickel? I'm gonna go with zinc. It's zinc.
I probably should have said that.
Alright, so next one. Hold on, let me eat a cucumber or something. I'm getting another piece of king crab real quick. Ooh, it's still hot. That's good though. I'm gonna get a shrimp. Want some more food? Okay. Oh, you can't answer the question. Girl, you don't know nothing about this. Okay, so next one.
I got 2 right.
Girl, bye. Blank causes some fruits and vegetables to be red in color. Is it copper, lycopene, phosphorus, or iron?
Iron.
Oh, we both probably wrong. I'm going with lycopene. And the answer is lycopene.
No, it's not. You
remember the tomatoes? When I was eating them, I was like, oh, we get not lycopene today. Yeah, you ain't watched that video, did you?
See what had happened was. My phone had died.
Whatever. All right, so next question. You ready, Pope?
Yes, Sirski.
Yes, Sirski. All right, so calcium and blank work together to give us healthy teeth and bones. Is it fish oil, riboflavin, vitamin D, or all of the above?
I don't. It might be fish oil.
You say fish oil?
Wait. I think.
What you say, Leisha?
I say vitamin D.
Okay, you say vitamin D?
It probably is.
What you say?
I say vitamin D.
I say vitamin D.
All right, let me pick vitamin D. All right, very good. Okay, so far I'm winning. All right, so next one. Ready, Pope?
Yeah.
All right. Which ranks #1 in antioxidant activities? Boysenberries, raspberries, strawberries, or blueberries?
What?
You know that one.
Well,
You
what
know
was
that
the
one, fool.
answer?
Robin?
Which ranks #1 in antioxidants? So this fruit has the highest amount of antioxidants out of the choices.
Is it blueberries?
Boysenberries, raspberries, strawberries, or blueberries?
Blueberries.
You pick blueberries? Okay, Alana said blueberries.
What you say?
Good job!
Oh.
Don't second guess yourself, girl.
No, what did you say?
That's what I was gonna pick, blueberries. Yeah, but what you was gonna go do?
Don't take my answer.
All right, next one. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Our bodies need blank essential vitamins. Is it 2 essential vitamins, 13, 21, or 40? Essential vitamins.
2.
You say 2. Leisha, what you say?
I don't know. I guess I'd say 13.
13. I'm gonna go with
Which one you going with before you get hit?
I'm gonna go with 13, y'all. I'm gonna go with 13. What y'all got? Okay. Okay, 13 is correct. There's vitamin A, C, D, E, K, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12.
No.
I just had to catch the beat. All right, so next one. Which is the most abundant mineral in the body? Is it calcium, zinc, copper, or chromium? I'm gonna go with calcium. What y'all got?
Calcium? I don't know what none of them is.
I ain't never heard of the rest of them.
Yeah, I think I would say calcium too because of the bone.
Okay. And we're right. We're a little healthy over here. All right, next one. Which Heart Smart supplement is derived from the lily family? All right, is it garlic, dandelion, sunflower oil, or all of the above?
Wait, oh, I know.
Which Heart Smart supplement is derived from the lily family? Is it garlic, dandelion, sunflower oil, or all of the above?
What a lily family.
Like the flower, the lily, you know, when you be seeing the lily. What'd you think, Poop?
I have no idea.
Just guess. You never know. You've been getting it right so far. What are you familiar with? Garlic, dandelion, or sunflower?
Sunflower.
Okay.
I don't know.
I'm gonna go with garlic. Garlic. Let me see. Yes, it's garlic. All right. Mom wanted you to eat your carrots because this vitamin is necessary for vision. Is it vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, or vitamin D?
I don't know. I just know it was good for your eyes.
Dang, you supposed to know this.
What y'all got? You want me to repeat it? Mom wanted you to eat your carrots because this vitamin is necessary for vision. Is it vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, or vitamin D?
Is it C? I don't think C is for vision, is it?
I see you. I see you.
Y'all the mamas, y'all should know this.
Hey.
I'm gonna go with vitamin A. And it is vitamin A.
I knew that.
All right, next one. Our bodies need this little known mineral for more than 300 biochemical reactions. Is it iron, copper, magnesium, or silicone? Just take a guess.
Iron.
Okay, what you got, Poop?
Iron.
I want to go in, but I think it's iron too, but I'm gonna go with magnesium.
Okay.
Cheetos.
It's magnesium.
Because you already saw it.
No, I didn't. I didn't push it. Oh, that was it. I got them all right. We got them all right. Let me know how well you did. That was pretty fun. I like those little challenges, child. Everything was delicious. Poop, did you like it?
Like, oh yeah.
The sauce was good?
That sauce was the bomb.
Is it good?
Sweet.
It was really
Oh,
good.
good.
Maybe it was the
I put
peppers.
monk fruit in it.
What?
Monk fruit? Yeah.
What is that?
Monk fruit. The sweetener, monk fruit. So instead of like sugar,
I could've
you put like
died.
a little sweetener in it. It's supposed to be sweeter than regular sugar. Good.
What's the peppers?
Yeah, the peppers add sweetness to it. I put the orange and the red peppers. And that really tastes good. I love the peppers. Alright, y'all. So this is just a quick video. So thank y'all so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.